Hello guys and welcome to Make Easy. And now we are building an individual blog post studio. So we already done index page, and we already have a blog so form page. So now we have to build individual page for each blog post. So I already show you that we added an ID. So I'm passing an unique ID to that in the URL in the last video. That based on this ID, we're gonna be fetching an item from local storage. So now let's begin. So first we're gonna be extracting an ID from the URL. So we have to compare with that ID, right? So variable ID equals to, so pass int, so we are making it an integer, so pass int, and we have to take current window, right? It's current window URL. So window dot location dot href. So it will take complete path, and what we're doing, we are splitting into the two parts. So with a equals to symbol. And why? Because of equals to, in the sense like we have to split it with equals to and we take the last one, right? So that's why. And we done it. After this we're gonna be taking first one, right? It's gonna be two arrays, so two single array two values, sorry, so single array two values, and we're taking the second one, so one. Yes, now we got an ID. So now we're gonna fetch it from local storage again. jQuery.h, json.parse, and local storage.get item. Get item, make easy blog. Yes, so make easy blog. So after that we're gonna be calling function I comma value. Yes, so now if id, whatever that we have id, right, we took it from URL, id equals to I. So I is the key, so key is the id only. If both are true, then we are appending the title description. So I already have a two divs, one for h1. So for h1 having a class title, we are appending so title to that, and for description we are appending description. So dot title is a class, so dot title dot append value of title. So second one, so dot, it's in hash, it's in an ID, so that's why I'm taking in description. So I'm gonna make into class only, class, and dot description dot append value of okay, it's not in a can't be quite in a string, so value of description. That's it. So if you refresh it, we're getting hello and welcome to Make Easy. We go back, click on it, getting. So now hello, thank you for watching. Submitted, go back to post, and hello, thank you for watching is there, and thank you for watching. Thank you guys, hope you like the video. Please do subscribe to Make Easy. Thank you.